My name is Jordan Dorough, and this is my final presentation for Arts and Sciences 300, Section 201 with Derek Eagers. I'm looking at marketing through social media here. The following is a study of the popularity and success of 6 social networking websites. I am the media manager for a salon. This study helped me to learn which site will best expand our reach past the local region. I've compiled data from a Wikipedia page, actual user ratings from mobile applications, and statistics from an active Facebook business page. Here I am looking at visual data sets that I have scraped from a Wikipedia webpage.
Statistics on 6 social networking sites: Pinterest, Flickr, Facebook, LinkedIn, MySpace, and Twitter. I've compiled data on their total number of users, their rank on a global Alexa page rating, and the amount of time that each site has been active, in an effort to find which social networking site has achieved the greatest success. The data I obtained was web scraped from the Wikipedia page that you are currently viewing. This line graph best displays the relationship between active users on each particular social network and compared with the time that the site has been active since it's opened. As you can see, blue represents how many months each site has been open, and although they are very similar according to the graph and how many months they've been open, you can see that Facebook by far has quite a bit more users than any of the others, second coming in there with Twitter. This graph displays the relationship between the months that a site has been open in comparison to its global Alexa page ranking. As you can see, some sites have not been open for very long and still have very, very, very low green bars, which is good because that means that they're closest to a ranking of number 1. For example, MySpace, not doing too hot, pretty far back there in the global Alexa page ranking, and they are very established. They've been around for a long time there. This graph best displays all 3 factors, including the months a site has been open, as well as the users and the global Alexa page ranking. For example, number 2 there, you can see that Facebook, number 2, and Flickr, number 3, have been open for a similar amount of time, but that Facebook, up there in red, does have a lot more users than that of Flickr, and their global Alexa page ranking sits closer to the 0 mark than Flickr, showing that they are higher ranked.
Next, we move on to the mobile application statistics. This is a graph that displays the average user ratings for several social networking applications. Twitter, MySpace, which does not have one, so there's no bar there, Flickr, Facebook, and Pinterest. From this, I can see that since Facebook has a good user rating, that this app could be beneficial for our clients, but it did make me realize, maybe if we set up a Pinterest page or a Twitter, that might be better for a mobile application as opposed to something that you might use on your PC. This Google Earth tour shows where our clients are located.
This Google Earth tour is going to guide you through a data set that I have presented here. The places that are marked here on this tour are the top 10 cities in which the salon in which I work has the highest number of people viewing our public Facebook page. I plotted these points into Google Earth by entering data that I had scraped from our business Facebook page into a spreadsheet mapper. So here we can start. Starting out here in Lexington, Kentucky, we had 252 users naturally closest to home. And then we head up north to Cincinnati, Ohio with 244 users. Here's my model that I've created using SketchUp there, colored red and black to represent the city of Cincinnati. Next, we're going to go on up to Hamilton, Ohio, 116 miles away with 51 users up there. Fourth highest coming in is Columbus, Ohio with 25 users. Next, we go to Louisville, Kentucky, closer to home than all of the others in Ohio that we've shown before, but still only 23 users. 6, we come into the state capital of Frankfurt. We've got 15 active Facebook users there on our page. Then we go all the way up 704 miles away to New York, New York. We've got 13 users registered in the city of New York, New York. And then on down to Washington, D.C. with 13 users there. Back to Ohio, puts us in Fairfield with 13 active Facebook users. And then last, we wrap it up back closer to Cincinnati, right there at Covington on the river, 13 users there as well.
This is the 3D artifact that I have created. Although I haven't implemented it into my Google tour, I have noted that the simple can of hairspray could be used to represent each city where our clients reside. So instead of just having that one building that I created in SketchUp, I could use this artifact to represent all the other cities outside of Cincinnati, even going as far as customizing each can of hairspray to the city and, maybe putting a head count, 13, 21, how many clients there directly on that can of hairspray. And there we have the artifact. These stats come from our Facebook Business Manager page. This graph displays the ages and gender of our clientele. You can see that there. Since most of our clientele are between the ages of 25 and 44, I believe that Facebook is a very appropriate networking platform that we can utilize to reach out to all of them with our, we've got clientele in this age, and this really ages between 18 and 44, I think, is, the ages that also make up the most Facebook users. So I think overall Facebook is a good platform for us to utilize. Thanks for tuning in.